This is how the standard string is represented with double quotes. And this is how a multi-string is defined. Quote, quote, quote. This is a multi-string. Quote, quote, quote. Swift is very particular on how the quote marks are written. Opening and closing triplets must be on their own line, and opening and closing line breaks won't be included in the final string. You could see here opening and closing line breaks are discarded. And multi-line strings can help you format your code very neatly. If you don't want line breaks in your string, this is how it can be written. You will go ahead and mention the backslash in all the line except the last one. Expand the view panel and you could see the string in the same line. So this is it for today. Don't forget to hit subscribe. See you in my next video.